How to write a teaching personal statement.
My name is Miss Paris. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. On my channel, you'll find tips, advice, and information all about teaching, as well as being able to follow along with my own personal journey. If you are interested in that kind of content, especially if you are job hunting at the moment, go and check out my other videos and also subscribe. So the first step when you are writing your personal statement is to actually understand what it is. You want to understand the purpose. You want to understand what it's meant to portray. Then you're going to go on to the self-assessment phase. This is where you decide on skills and experiences that you want to include, as well as any strengths. Step 3 is obviously crafting your statement. This is the bulk of where the writing is going to come in. This is also where you're going to think about your structure and finalizing content. Then we're going to make sure that our statement is personalized. So you want to think about values, vision, ethos. You want to think about USPs, so unique selling points of the school. Then you're going to go on to my speciality, which is editing and refining. This is where you proofread, check your purpose, and whether it meets it. This is where you are going to check your spag and your language use. And then you are done.